In this video, we're going to change spark plugs and coil packs on a 2009 Honda Fit. It's got about 190,000 miles on it, so the chances of everything being original is 50-50, more like 25-75, because they're probably changed at 105,000 miles. Yeah, we'll try to do this without too much cursing or profanity. I'd also like to point out I have never done this before. The plugs must be on the other side. This looks like it comes off. My first thought of the first plug is it looks fine. Okay, so that took 30-ish minutes from when I started taking the plugs out to putting them in. I kept stopping because I didn't know if I had the right ring gapper. And I checked the gap of those plugs, checked the gap, the plugs came new. Let's see if it starts. I'm going to say that's success. I'll put it back together. And just like that, I saved a bunch of money and I got my Honda Fit running good. Now I made this video because one of the coil packs died. The car went into like a horrible limp mode. I didn't know if one coil pack dies, it affects another cylinder. So the car went into running like it was on 2 cylinders, barely ran. The coil pack kit was less than $140, and that's shipped to Hawaii, and that includes 4 ignition coils, new screws, and 4 plugs. And they actually came pre-gapped pretty accurately, which was kind of a nice feature. I wasn't expecting that. It didn't take me a full hour, even with making the video, to swap them out. A sad thing is, I know at the dealership it's like $600. So I saved $450 to do the coil packs on my car. Now, mind you, that little Honda doesn't need to go back to the dealership. I could probably take it to the local Joe Schmo gas station near my house, and they'd probably charge me $400. But that's still a lot more than what I paid. Less than $150, including shipping, and it took me an hour, and I didn't even get that dirty. And it was kind of easy, and in a way it was relaxing. It was entertaining because some random person came up to me and was asking me silly questions. I guess he was lost and didn't have a phone with him, which doesn't make any sense. I was kind of like standoffish, but
How you doing?
what's up, man?
I'm kind of lost. Can I
Sure.
use your phone to navigate real quick?
I don't have my phone on me.
This is your house?
This is my house. What are you looking for? What street are you looking for?
Arizona. Arizona? Yeah. Thank you. I appreciate you. I'm sorry for...
Oh, Lord, I'm not filming something.
Oh, are you?
Yeah. It's alright, I'll chill. Thank you very much for watching this video. Till the next one. Aloha.